Have you been looking for full-time living with 4 bedrooms, 3,000 square feet, resort-style amenities, and views of the lake? Well, you found it here at 158 Windjammer. This spacious home offers nearly 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 living areas, and tons of storage. You've got a lot of outdoor living space here with a screened-in porch, fenced-in backyard, and a golf cart is even included to get you down to your 12 by 32 boat slip. Neighborhood amenities include a community pool, community docks, sewer, trash, and road maintenance. For more information or to book a private showing on this new listing, contact the Krantz team at 573-302-2355.